Y'all, garage sale amnesia is a real thing. We just got back from the Highway 127 garage sale. I have 9 of these bags of things that I bought. I don't remember what's in any of them. So let's go through the first one together and see what I bought. Okay. Oh. These were new with tags. Army pants. They're waterproof nylon. I think I got more than, yeah, I got more than one pair of those. So another pair of those. And another pair of those. And another pair of those. Okay. This looks like a big man pajama. What is it? It is a down-filled puffer jacket. I can't find the label, but it's I don't know. Oh, it's Nike. That's what it is. Okay. A Nike puffer down-filled jacket. A Banana Republic blazer jacket. A J. Crew blazer. Wool. Very old money. Preppy. These are my weakness. Anytime I find a sweater like this, I'm picking it up. This is a Christmas sweater vest. Again, I want to get rid of the phrase ugly Christmas sweater. They're not ugly. And this is a Halloween skirt. It's handmade. It's got jack-o'-lanterns, cats, spiders. It says trick or treat, the harlequin pattern. Oh yeah. Yeah. I bought a few ties. It's just a few ties. This embroidered jacket with the flowers. There's something in a dry cleaner bag, and I don't remember what that is. This patchwork. Let's get this buttoned up where you can see it a little bit better, or at least kind of buttoned. Nope, it doesn't button. It just has decorative buttons down both sides. You know, sometimes I don't know what I was thinking, but okay, here's this. I'm not sure why I picked that one up. Maybe I'll figure it out. The men's corduroy blazer. This has lemons on it, so I know that's why I picked this up. This little dress with lemons. Another men's blazer. This one is, it's a chaps, Ralph Lauren chaps, but it's the navy with the gold buttons. Very nautical, very preppy. Another vintage corduroy men's blazer. Gonna have to get these hung up to get the wrinkles out. Okay, looks like the last couple of things are in. Oh yeah. Okay, this, y'all. This, I can get it out of here, is a pink tuxedo. Okay, it has the bow tie, the ruffle shirt, bow tie fell, the pants with the ribbon trim down the side. Is there a cummerbund? Yes, and no, that's the vest. And the jacket. This was at a church sale, and as I walked in, they said, you know, gave me a trash bag, $5 to fill up the bag. It's like, awesome. And so when I found this, I was so excited. So I'm putting it in my bag, and she's like, wait, wait, wait. There's a pair of shoes that go with that. And she brought me these, which are purple, so I'm not sure. But anyway, these purple shoes are supposed to go with the pink tuxedo. So I thought that was a fun find. And this was another thing at that same sale. And honestly, I just felt the beading on it and didn't open it. And now I'm looking at it, and I should have because it's stained. That makes me sad. Oh. What was it for that? It's a David's bridal. So anyway. Alright, so that, oh, there's little ballet slippers in here with that. Okay, those are tiny, so this has got to be like a flower girl dress. What size is it? Yeah, size 5 little girl's dress. So, cute little slippers, beaded though. Alright, that was it on bag 1. Like I said, we have a total of 9 bags, so we'll go through bag 2 tomorrow to see what I forgot that I bought on the Highway 127.